Hi, I'm Nati. I have almost 15 years experience in data modeling and data warehousing, primarily utilizing the SQL Server BI stack as an implementation tool. I am a developer and I love solving technical and technology challenges. But what excites me the most is seeing the tangible benefits that my expertise brings to our customers. Over the years, I've had the opportunity to work with and master various areas of software development. But most recently, I've championed the endless possibilities that the cloud has to offer. In pursuing this passion, I became a certified Microsoft data engineer and specialize in the cloud offering of the Microsoft Azure suite, like Azure Data Factory, Azure Streaming Analytics, and Azure Databricks. As a technical and data expert, I understand the value of reliable and easily accessible data for all. In particular, I'm passionate about the self-service business intelligence powered by the cloud, as the access to the real-time analytics by all members of the business community who make important decisions is so important. Most recently, I've led a technology development in a project for our valued customer, Vector Logistics, who provide a fully integrated temperature-controlled network in Southern Africa. Vector Logistics were looking for a seamless, real-time business platform to allow for self-service and straightforward analytics that would allow for efficient and effective management of resources and costs. The customer also needed its sales and secondary transport models to be automated using the cloud. Our team at Keyrus developed a cloud-powered analytics solution involving Microsoft Azure and Power BI technologies. We leverage tabular models and Power BI to enable large-scale models to self-service capability. The solution ensures that the sales data is presented in the correct star schema format to the Power BI reporting layer. Our customer confirmed that the solution improved visibility by 20% and have reduced their manpower requirements. The sales report frequency increased from once a week to daily, and the information is immediately available via the Power BI mobile app. As the solution is completely cloud-based, the client no longer needs to maintain expensive servers, and automation has replaced tedious manual work around Excel spreadsheets. So what inspires me about my role at Keyrus is seeing the real benefits the applied technology brings to the customer, and that everyone in their organization has access to data, and that's how we humanize data here at Keyrus. I am proud to be a part of a team of experts that stands out from competitors, not only through our collective capability in deploying modern technology, but mostly because we always strive to make data matter to our customers.